Criminologist Professor David Wilson launched a blistering attack on Sean P Diddy Combs while on This Morning, branding the music mogul a thug and a danger to women. Wilson, who regularly appears on the ITV daytime show as a crime expert, shared his honest opinion as he discussed the fallout from Diddy's high-profile trial. He said, "The atmosphere outside the courtroom was a bit of a circus. Notice as well the reinvention. One of the things that Puff Daddy has been really good at actually is reinventing himself. I saw the reinvention even at the trial. The finding of God, the espousal of religion. He hit out at the rapper calling him a thug and danger to women. The saying that God was with him at every step of the way. So Terry's going to be another iteration of who this man is, and frankly, he's a thug and he's a danger to women, and it's really sad that he doesn't go to prison for as long as he should." His explosive remarks follow Combs being found guilty of 2 counts of transporting individuals to engage in prostitution. However, the 55-year-old star was acquitted of the more serious charges of racketeering, conspiracy and sex trafficking, which could have carried a life sentence. Combs, who faces up to 20 years behind bars for the charges he was convicted of, is still in custody after Judge Arun Subramanian denied his request for bail, citing a disregard for the rule of law and a propensity of violence. Criminologist David Wilson has spoken out about P. Diddy's charges on This Morning. During the reading of the verdict, the rapper reportedly fell to his knees in court with his head in his hands, while supporters in the gallery broke into cheers. Diddy's legal team are hoping to secure a lighter sentence of between 21 and 27 months. Prosecutors, however, are pushing for a longer term of up to 63 months, which is just over 5 years. A remote hearing is scheduled for next Tuesday to determine the timeline for sentencing. Combs' former partner Cassie Ventura has submitted a letter to the judge urging Subramanian to keep the rapper in custody, describing him as a danger to victims and the wider community. The appeal, which was written via her attorney Douglas H. Wigdor, read, "We write as counsel for Cassandra Ventura, Ms. Ventura, to respectfully request that the court deny Mr. Combs to be released pending his sentencing on his 2 convictions under 18 U.S.C. 2421. Pursuant to the Bail Reform Act, 18 U.S.C. 1343a, 2, detention is mandatory post-conviction on these charges, and Ms. Ventura believes that Mr. Combs is likely to pose a danger to the victims who testified in this case, including herself, as well as to the community. We thank the court for its time and attention to this matter. Speculation has been rife over whether Donald Trump might consider pardoning Combs, given their former friendship, but the U.S. president has said he would certainly look at the facts before making any such decision.